Hey there! Welcome! In this video, we will show you how to create SIP accounts at my.compeak.com. You will learn where details about your SIP accounts are stored, how to add a new SIP account, and what to do if you need more SIP accounts than available. As soon as you sign up with CommPeak, you have one active SIP account. On the home page, you will see its username and domain. To set a password for your account, click the relevant link. On the page that opens, click Reset Password and then Proceed. You will receive an email with further instructions. If several agents will use the VoIP services, you can create more SIP accounts. Here, you will see the number of active and available accounts. To add a new one, click on the plus sign. On the Account tab, enter the name of your new account and fill the channel limit field. Scroll down to the Authentication tab. Specify the username and password, then click Save Changes. Your new account is created. It will appear on the SIP Accounts page and will become active in a while. To start making calls, you need to register your account in a Softphone application. Follow the link to find out how to do it. Contact our support team if you need more SIP accounts than available, want to set up a PBX, need DID numbers, or an auto-dialing solution. Click Support, open a ticket, and submit your request. Need assistance, you can also click the chat icon and an agent will help you out. Thanks for watching and good luck!